Nixon throws something in my bones until I'm through. Hey, hey, what's going on, Freedomers? Alright, so the only way, you have to, especially in the beginning, you want to finish one course until successful. That's just focus, right? So so I'm gonna start from the bottom here, from the seven reasons why you need to focus on your online business. It's the only way to break the terror barrier. So the terror barrier is a barrier of fear, and the only way, fear, doubt, lack. And if you don't break the terror barrier in your online business, um, you lose. And go to bit.ly/your free consultation. This is in all caps, your free consultation to learn how to make money online. You need to focus in your online business, or you'll get silent anxiety. And what silent anxiety means is, like, you'll be at night, be really nervous about everything you need to be doing, and not be executing. And you'll get shiny eye syndrome, which is every time a new opportunity come out, you just jump on it instead of focusing on what you have. IG helped me make my first $5,000 online because I was razor focused and I didn't do nothing but Instagram. I got out these results because I was razor focused, because of my focus. My focus has now been diverted from others to self. I've helped others make thousands of dollars online, and now it's time for me to do it. In a massive way, be the leader, not a follower. Excuse me, no. Lead from the front. Because for so long, and that's funny how I say that, to lead from the front, not from the back. Because my shift has been, it's just time to lead from the front. And that's the only way you create followers. And true influence. Find the platform that aligns with your personality and dominate, because Instagram is not for everybody. So 7777 means I'm on the right path. But and YouTube is for legacy, meaning it's evergreen videos. Meaning you can watch videos from 5 years ago on there. Facebook is for branding, and IG is for personality. If you have personality, you can blow up on Instagram. If you're trying to build a brand where people know you for something, or the story that is told about you when you're not there, you focus on Facebook. If you're trying to build something where people talk about you without you being there, Facebook is the thing. And YouTube is a really platform where You're thinking more long term. You want people to watch your videos for 10, 20 years to come. Or however long YouTube lasts. And like I said, you have to break the terror barrier, because the only way to break through it online is through focus. You can't break it through distraction, because like distraction, we'll go into this. I'll make a video about this, but when I wasn't focused, I was taking stuff very personal. So I used to take stuff personal when I was sharing my mission for free, because I wasn't focused on my mission, on my goals. I was distracted with problems I could never solve. Meaning solving other people's problems where they weren't paying me to do it. And distracted me from things that made sense in my world. I wasn't focused. I wasn't getting ahead. And I wasn't eliminating. Just one of the key things to focus, you need to eliminate what's not getting you closer. I was not getting stuff done, and all in others' creative blocks instead of my own, and unblocking my own. I was so concerned with other people's creative blocks that wasn't paying me. No, this is okay to a certain extent until you realize you have to pay your bills. So that's what happens when you're not focused. So go to bit.ly/your free consultation to learn how to be focused and make money online. Peace.